Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fit Tuckers. Today we're going to show you the proper way to do a lat pull down. You never want to use this bar, and I'm going to show you why. You see everybody sitting here swinging, doing this, swinging, doing this, or they're doing this. You never use the bar, guys. Never. Show you the proper way to do it. You always want to use the straps. The straps here. I'm going to bring my thumbs to the inside. Okay. So my feet are going to be flat. My back is straight. And I'm just going to come down to a 90-degree angle. I'm looking straight ahead. I'm going to come down to a 90-degree angle and squeeze. Back up, fully extend. Back down to 90 and squeeze. So you can see these muscles contracting. And my back is straight. My feet are flat. I'm not arched. I'm not swinging. It's a slow and concentrated movement down to 90 degrees. Back up, fully extended. Looking straight ahead. So I have no pressure on the back of my neck. I have no pressure on my lower back. Slow and concentrated, guys. Basically, all you're doing there is just swinging. You're not getting a full back exercise. So then we're going to switch it up. So we're going to bring our elbows in, and we're going to still come down to a 90-degree angle and squeeze. Back up, fully extended, back down to 90 degrees. So when coming down to 90 degrees, we're pausing for that selfie, contracting those muscles. And you can see my back is still flat. My feet are flat. My back is straight. Slow and concentrated movement. Contracting those muscles. Slow and concentrated is all you need. Stop using the bar. This isn't a playground. You don't need to be swinging. It's not about the weight you're doing. If you're doing it proper, I've got this on 85. Sometimes I do 100. Slow and concentrated. Squeeze those muscles. 3 sets of 10, 3 sets of 12. I promise you, you're going to feel it tomorrow more than when you do the bar. So stop using the bar. All right, so now we're going to show you the proper way to do back rows here. All right. So I see so many people sitting here doing this. Are you doing legs? What are you doing? All right. So we're going to do it 2 different ways. All right. So I can keep my legs straight if that's what I want to do. Or I can keep a slight bend in my knees. Whichever way I want to do it, I don't want my legs moving. I want them stationary. I like to keep a slight bend in my knees to take that pressure off my back. So I'm going to get my feet stable here. And I pretend this is like a game. I got my thumbs here. All right. So I got my arms fully extended. I'm looking straight ahead. And I'm going to come and straight and just give it a squeeze. Then back. So if you will notice, my back is not moving. My legs are not moving. I'm doing a slow and concentrated squeeze. Contracting that muscle. Pausing for the selfie here. Then back. So I'm not swinging here. I'm not on a roller. Like I said, you can bend your knees or keep them with no bend. If I got no bend here, I come here. The key too is just focusing on just moving your arms, working your lat muscles. You'll be going back and forth. All right? Get the weight you need, come, slow, concentrated. And here, when I keep my thumbs here, and you can see my tricep a little bit. So it's like I'm contracting that, getting a little tricep motion just by the way I'm gripping the handle. Slow it down, guys. Slow and concentrated. Focus on dynamic mobilization instead of focusing on, hey, I'm doing this amount of weight. If you don't have a powerlifting show coming up, don't worry about the weight you're doing. Slow and concentrated. You can get a great exercise just working with bands. Focus on doing it the right way. Less injury. And you're going to get better results. Contracting muscles versus swinging. Put pressure on your back. Put pressure on your neck. Stop using the bar. Slow, concentrated. Remember, everything is 90-degree angles. All the exercises. Use 90-degree angles, so many. So make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Got a lot of great videos for you, whether it's meal prepping, or just learning how to track results for your body. So make sure you hit that notification bell. New videos up each week. Tell all your friends about us. And as always, don't forget, get fit.